Welcome to this episode about CRaC on JVM. CRaC stands for Coordinated Restore at Checkpoint. The main goal of CRaC is to reduce Java's cold start time. It was developed by Azul and was accepted as an OpenJDK project. The project has been released as a separate distribution of the Zulu JDK, but it is not widely supported by tools and frameworks as of yet. When the JVM starts, the compiler looks for methods to optimize and pre-compile to get a better performance. This happens in two stages. One at application startup and one that continuously monitors for new hotspots to optimize. As a result, Java applications have a warm-up time before they get to their best performance. One popular approach to solve this problem is ahead-of-time compilation. You compile your Java application down to a native operating system binary. This drastically improves startup times, but you lose some JVM flexibility such as reflection and dynamic class loading. CRaC takes a different approach. You spin up your application in a pre-production or canary environment. You let the JVM warm up the application. You create a checkpoint of the optimized process. Then, in production, you load the optimizations from the checkpoint and you start serving requests almost instantly. CRaC looks very promising, but I don't recommend its use in production yet. Having said that, at the end of 2022, Amazon Web Services launched a CRaC-compatible technology called AWS SnapStart as part of AWS Lambda. Before using this technology, I do recommend that you read the documentation, as there are some coding constraints that need to be taken into account to successfully use this technology for production workloads. Check the description down below for more details.